Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete a question on Quora. Okay, so maybe you made a mistake, maybe you don't want the answer anymore, whatever your reason is. Very easy. So if you recently asked a question, it'll actually pop up on your homepage or feed, okay? Here. So all you need to do is click on these three dots, okay? Go ahead and click on them, and then you'll see a bunch of options. So here you'll see the second last option. It says delete question. So you can go ahead and click on delete question right here, right? And then it will give you a prompt where it'll ask you if you want to confirm that you want to delete your question. So go ahead and click on confirm. And you can always restore this from your edit log as well. So there we go. Has successfully deleted the question. Now the other way is coming to your profile. It's not on your feed. So you just click here. Okay, and then click on your profile icon, right? So click on the profile icon, click there on your name, and here we are. We have another question, so I click on these three dots, and then I click on a delete question. And then you can go ahead and click on confirm, and there we go. It's done. Really that easy. And